Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Vero IG with another video review for you guys. So today we're actually going to be reviewing the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless headphones. I actually got these as a Christmas gift from my brother, so big thank you for these. Okay, so I have never used these before. I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm also going to go ahead and tell you guys my honest review. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you guys for tuning in, and if you are not new, thank you guys for coming back again. So last week I did a review for LiQWYD headphones, so if you guys want to go and check that out, you can. I will post the link down in the description below. So I have never used these before, so it will be my first time, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick tell you what I see on the box, and then I'm going to go ahead and open these up for you. So it says Ultra True Low Latency for Immersive Sound and Competitive Gaming and Advantage. So these are for gamers. There's custom tuned 13mm drivers for clear balanced sound and extended bass, Bluetooth and audio pairing for reliable energy efficiency connection. There's also a portable Type-C charging case, so that's similar to the LiQWYD charging case. Touch-enabled voice assistant, as well as water-resistant design. So let's go ahead and open them up. Okay. Case looks like this. And for gamers, by gamers, so I am not a gamer chick, although I do love my Mortal Kombat, Tekken, and Street Fighter. I do not play video games that often, so if you guys are a gamer, let me know what you think if you guys decide to get these. It comes with a 2-year warranty, and this is the book. And the booklet has some instructions here that I'll probably post some pictures right up here for you guys. And so it comes with the case, the cable, 2 silicone sleeves, and a wrist wrap, which I wish the LiQWYD had that, so I think that will come in handy, so I don't have to go ahead and purchase a second case for the headphones. So once you open up the box, it looks like this on the inside, and this is the charging case, and inside are these. They feel pretty light. It's already pre-charged, and here's the port C charger. And this is the charging cable that it comes with. And this is that I'm gonna use because I don't want to lose my headphones. So unlike the LiQWYD that came with a few of these, this one only comes with 2, well, technically 1. And here are the actual earbuds. It's kind of hard to take them out of this case. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And did I tell you guys I love getting new headphones? I love them. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug them in. They feel pretty comfortable. Let's take out the second one. And I can see these falling out of my ear. So they definitely don't stay on as easily as the other set of headphones that I have. So I don't think I'll be able to take these running. They don't fit as snug, but so right off the bat, I can already tell that I'm not gonna like the way that they fit in my ears. They're not so comfortable. Now let's see how the pairing goes when it comes to connecting them to my phone. I feel like oh, I can already hear them chatting to me. I feel like this part is a little bit flimsy. It's already trying to pair, so I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and connect them. Once I connect them, I'll come back and tell you what the sound quality is like. Okay. So I actually am speaking to you while I have the headphones in right now. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the features. So a half a second tap to answer calls, end calls, play music, which I already tested it out and it's pretty good. 2 seconds for powering on and rejecting incoming calls, and then 6 seconds to activate pairing mode. So to pair these, it was pretty easy. I just clicked it on my iPhone settings in the Bluetooth setting, and I just connected and it linked very quickly. The only thing that I can initially say is that they keep falling out of my ear, so I'm gonna try to see if I can put the little rubbery part on, and hopefully that will keep these earbuds in. But overall, I think that it does block out the sound externally, so I think that these will be good headphones for the gym. Pretty good for gaming. It's wireless, so you can move around. You're probably wondering what the price for these earbuds are. Right now on Amazon, they're $69.56, and with Amazon Prime, you can get it in 2 days. As far as reviews go on Amazon, I see a lot of positive reviews. I mean, it has 4.5 stars. I went ahead and put one of the little sleeves on the rubbery part, and I'm just gonna go ahead and test it and see if they stay. Still, I mean, I think that it'll probably fall out of my ear. However, it's not as bad as just having it without it. Okay guys, so I added the straps to it, and I have to say, out of the entire thing, my favorite aspect and feature of this is this little string, because like I said, my Raycons do not have that and I lose them all the time. So this will definitely keep me from putting them down and misplacing them. I can attach it to my keys. I don't have to buy an external case that holds everything. The charger's pretty long. Definitely longer than my Fire wire. The Fire is about this length, and it comes with the tops to cover it, so that's pretty good too. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little review. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want more tech reviews, go ahead and leave me a message in the comment box below, and I will come back and do a 3-month update and let you know if I truly like these or if it's a next for me. Well, thank you guys so much for tuning in on this video. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, it's Vero. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.